And our next problem is multiplying fractions by a mixed number. And so when you're working with fractions, sometimes it's just easier to turn everything into fractions, even if the mixed number is in an improper fraction. But there are many ways to do it, so this is one. And so let's look at this. 1/2 times 4 2/5. Well, 4 2/5, I want to make this, so I'm circling that, an improper fraction. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22/5. So we're turning this into an improper fraction, bringing down the rest of the story. And so now you can do it either way. You can actually cross-simplify if you want to, and that would be 1 and this would be 11, because you're taking a factor out of 2 out of the denominator and a factor out of 2 out of the numerator, so you get 11. And that actually makes it a little bit easier. Actually, what it does is makes you simplify in the beginning. So now we multiply across the numerators, and I get 1 times 11 is 11, and 1 times 5 is 5, and that's not simplified, it's improper, so stop, drop, divide. 5 goes into 11 2 times, 10 with a remainder of 1. 1 in the numerator is done. If you didn't want to do it with the simplifying right here, we could do the same thing. We'll put it down here, 1/2 times 22/5. You still change the mixed number into an improper number, just like we did here. And so we're multiplying numerators to numerators. 1 times 22 is 22, and 2 times 5 is 10. Still stop, drop, divide. And how many times does 10 go into 22? It goes 2. And so we get 10 times 2 is 20, and we're left with 2/10. Okay, and at this point we have to simplify because 2/10 is really even over even, so we can pull a 2 out of it, or 2 over 2, and we get 2 1/5. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 here, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So either way, you either simplify in the front or you simplify in the end. Both of them work. Thank you.